Plenty of dramatic moments playing out in court, from text messages to body camera video and that affair. We are joined once again tonight by Court TV's Julia Janae. And Julia, let's start with the body camera video. What does this particular piece of evidence show about the arrest of the Oxford shooter's parents?
Brian, flight or running away once a crime has been committed can be used as evidence as consciousness of guilt, someone understanding that they have done something wrong. So when the prosecution is trying to convince a jury that they did in fact do something wrong, they can show this running away. So that body camera footage of the Crumbleys on the run, according to the prosecution and how they characterize it, the defense of course says that they were not on the run, they were simply hiding from the intense media attention that they were getting at the fallout of this and the people who wanted to cause them harm because of what their son did. But that video of them being inside of this warehouse-like place, on a mattress, sleeping in a place that was not their home, and then being arrested, even though we learned at the time they knew that there was a warrant out for their arrest, it does speak volumes to this jury, and it could make a juror feel more comfortable with believing that they are guilty if they know that this couple felt at the time that they were guilty.
Yeah, lots of evidence against their claims that they were not running. That was presented today. Let's get into this apparent affair, Julia. One of the witnesses for the prosecution having this so-called extramarital relationship with the defendant. There was a lot of debate about whether or not this relationship was relevant to the case even. How will this affect the defense's arguments?
Right, we didn't know if it was going to come in or not, but it's a big deal that it's the defense that wanted it in. Typically, an affair is not something that either side, especially the defense, would want to come in, especially if you've got a murder suspect who may have been accused of killing a spouse. They don't want their extramarital affairs to come in as evidence, but oftentimes that can come in as a motive. In this case, it's not any part really of the school shooting case, but it becomes an issue when the defense says they want it in and they want it to show that this witness on the stand, this fire captain, that he may be pressured to give the responses he's giving because they say this affair may have been something that he didn't want out or wanted to make sure he showed the authorities he was not involved at all with Jennifer Crumbley and any culpability that she has for the school shooting. So it's crazy that it came in, but it really could change the course of this trial.
All right, Julia Janae from Court TV. Julia, thank you again for joining us tonight.
Thank you.